How to activate Lloyds Bank debit card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this instructional video, I'm going to talk about how can you actually activate the Lloyds Bank debit card. So in order to activate a Lloyds Bank debit card, it's a simple process that can be easily done today. To begin, open the Lloyds Bank app in your mobile device, and from there, follow the steps to activate your credit card. Click on the option to activate your credit card online, and you'll be guided through a 3-step process, which is selecting to activate your card option, then entering the main card holder's number and the date of the birth in the designated box. If you wish to activate both cards, you can contact their helpline number, and once you have entered your information correctly, you can click on to activate your card. So this is basically on how to activate Lloyds Bank debit card. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.